is a humanoid robot that can mimic humans' expressions. Let's try this out. Hi everyone, I'm Xiabing from KraneShares. We're here at the 2025 World Robot Conference in Beijing, a showcase of the latest breakthroughs in robotics. Let's go and explore the most compelling tech stories come alive. With over 160 exhibitors from more than 20 countries, the exhibition covers tens of thousands of square meters and showcases everything from humanoids to industrial arms. The atmosphere is buzzing with innovation and excitement. In the entertainment area, robots are showing us a playful side of AI. What we want to see is the unusual robot boxing event, but the reality is we can't even get close. We can only watch the competition through the large screen. There's also a special event, a robot soccer match that has the audience cheering as if it was a World Cup. It's a glimpse of how AI can make sports and play more engaging. Apart from entertainment, robots here can also be applied in our daily scenarios, like making bed. This scenario makes me realize that robots are also stepping into our daily routines. From folding clothes to washing dishes, these machines demonstrate how AI can take care of everyday household tasks. In healthcare, the impact is even more profound. One highlight is Beijing Eye Robotics exoskeleton, Eye Walker. It senses the user's walking intentions and assists with a natural gait, helping patients regain mobility step by step. Another standout is Changmugu's robot surgical robot. Using AI planning and real-time navigation, it delivers sub-millimeter precision in orthopedic procedures. Robotics is reshaping the way we live, work, and heal. What impressed me most is the sense of connection. Seeing humans and robots interact in real time, you realize the future isn't coming, it's already here. The 2025 World Robot Conference in Beijing truly showcased how innovation can empower everyday life. Thanks for watching. If you want more China updates, make sure to subscribe and follow us. I'm Xiabing. I will see you next time.